Hey guys, welcome back in my channel. I'm Skilla and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the snore bass. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and let's stay connected. Tell me what else I can do for you so we can level up together. The snore bass is definitely one of my favorite bass sounds. I'm not sure who used it first, probably because the sound is not that difficult to learn. Let me know in the comments if you have any idea about that. I remember that Urus from Belgium had really nice combos with it. I think Wachtang also used it as a sound effect. I personally used it in my final with Alem at the World Championship in 2012. Recently I rediscovered it and I used it in my Spacetime Fantasy battles with Alexinho and Reeps One.
Hi son, I'm the grandfather of the new school. You're never gonna be beep.
Today, many new school beatboxers use it and I would say that the snore bass is definitely a must-have sound. Enough history, let's practice! The snore bass has three main advantages. It's an inward sound and that means that you can take some air with it. It sounds deep and powerful and it's very easy to learn. That's probably the only sound you can practice while sleeping. The first step and the first thing to do is the snoring sound. If you cannot do this, let me try to explain how to snore. When you breathe in, your uvula vibrates and knocks the back of the throat. The air moves the uvula and creates vibration. The uvula is the little thing that hangs down from the roof of your mouth. So just breathe in and feel the vibration. And step 2, do O shape with your lips and breathe more from your nose. It's really important, keep your mouth open and breathe from the nose. The idea is to emphasize the vibration. I have to say that the more narrow the airways, the more vibration you have. That means that the sound will become louder and stronger. Try to make the airway in the throat smaller and experiment with the position until you find the sweet spot where the vibration gets stronger. You can vary the sound by changing the position of your lips and your tongue. Try to put your tongue at the bottom of your mouth just behind your lower teeth. You also can try to put your tongue on top of your mouth. As you hear, these positions change the frequency of the sound. I personally don't use these variations because I prefer my bass to be filtered, smooth and deep. It's up to you, just be creative. Guys, be careful with this sound. If you feel pain in the throat, take rest for at least 30 minutes and drink some water before you practice again. I'm here if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel, and guys, let me know in the comments if you have any tutorial requests and I promise that I'll do my best to do that for you. Thanks for watching, see you next week.